How far can you see with 20x80 binoculars? If you're curious about how far you can see with a pair of 20 by 80 binoculars, you're in the right place. Let's break down what these binoculars can do and how they can enhance your viewing experience. First, let's talk about the numbers. The 20x in the name means these binoculars magnify objects 20 times larger than what you see with your naked eye. The 80 refers to the size of the objective lens, which is 80 millimeters. This large lens is crucial for gathering a lot of light, making these binoculars excellent for low light conditions or for observing distant objects. Now let's discuss how far you can actually see. The magnification of 20x means you'll see objects much closer, but it also magnifies any handshake or movement, so using a tripod is highly recommended to get the best view. The linear field of view at 1,000 yards is about 195 feet for the Celestron SkyMaster 20 by 80 mm Poro binoculars and about 168 feet for the SkyMaster Pro 20 by 80 mm Poro binoculars. This means that when you're looking at a distance of 1,000 yards, you can see a swath of 195 or 168 feet wide, depending on the model. In terms of actual distance, the close focus of these binoculars is around 108 feet for the SkyMaster and 66.2 feet for the SkyMaster Pro. This means you can focus on objects as close as these distances, but for longer range viewing, you can see much farther. For example, if you're observing a bird or a celestial object at a distance of several miles, the 20x magnification will bring it much closer to your eyes. To give you a better idea, the limiting stellar magnitude for these binoculars is around 12.02 under ideal conditions. This means you can see stars that are quite faint, which indicates the binoculars' ability to observe distant objects clearly. In summary, with 20 by 80 binoculars, you can see objects that are several miles away with great clarity, thanks to the powerful magnification and large objective lens. Just remember to use a tripod to stabilize the view and make the most out of your binoculars. Whether you're birdwatching, stargazing, or observing wildlife, these binoculars can provide a fantastic viewing experience.